Step 1. Switch off the main input supply. Always remember to turn off the main input supply when carrying out any electrical work. Attach a note to the breaker box that says "Do not touch. Electrical work is being carried out." Step 2. Mount the fan on the ceiling hook or the supporting hook. Always use a sturdy ladder for your safety. Take out the hanger assembly from the fan rod and hang it over the ceiling hook. Insert the top end of the down rod into the hanger assembly. Using a suitable spanner, tighten the hanger assembly in place with the bolt and nut. Fit the split pins or cotter pins on the bolt. Now your fan is ready for wire connection with the phase supply. Step 3. Connect the wires to the junction box. Can you see these two terminals on the junction box? Take the neutral wire of the fan and connect it to the neutral of the junction box. Tighten the wire on the terminal. Similarly, take the phase wire of the fan and insert it to the junction box phase terminal. Slide and then place the ceiling rose on the junction box. Step 4. Switch on the main input supply. Step 5. Check the functioning of the fan. Put the fan switch on and check the functioning of the fan. Well, that's working properly. Rotate the regulator and check the speed regulation. That's also great. But friends, always remember to check the screws and bolts whether they have been tightened properly or not. Well, our fan is now installed.